Here I have IBERRY Auxus Beast, and let me show you how to check IMEI and serial number on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer. Let's activate the keypad and let's use this code *#06#. The IMEI number just pops up. Tap OK to confirm it. Now let's check out how to find the IMEI and serial. Let's use the apps icon. Here you need to find and select settings. Scroll down and choose here About Auxus. Let's scroll down again and here let's find and select status, and here you've got access to serial number, Bluetooth address, Wi-Fi MAC address, IP address, and also IMEI information. So here you can read this info right here. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.